And welcome to this short tutorial. In this video I will show you how to turn on profile views on the TikTok. So if you want someone when someone visit your profile, you will get a notification. How you can do it, watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure. And if this video really helps you, do subscribe to my channel. So first of all, you have to open your TikTok, log into your account. On the right bottom you will see profile, click on it. After that you will see three lines on the right top, click on it. Go to the settings and privacy from here, and after that you will see multiple options. Simply click on the privacy. Now scroll up and on the last one you will see a profile views option. Simply turn on that toggle. Right now it's not showing me right here because this feature is not available in my country anymore. So if your country support it, you can simply turn it on from here. So this is the way. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.